take some store-bought shrimp, the size you buy, the cheapest one. So you bring home some pre-cooked shrimp, cut it all the way in half across where the shrimp's been deveined, so you end up with these skinny little pieces. Take your little delicate spring roll wrapper, drop it into the hot water for a sec, pat it dry, a little paper towel, throw it on a gel board to work with it. Put a line of those sliced shrimp down the center. Top that with a little rice vermicelli noodle, like so. And then you're gonna hit it with a few leaves of mint, basil, or Thai basil, cilantro, and then a few matchsticks of cucumber, fresh chili. For crunch, our little bean sprouts here. I'm piling this way too high. This sucker's never gonna get wrapped. A little bit of scallion. Then you kind of hold it down, and you guys have all wrapped a burrito before. You're basically just making a little baby burrito with lots of veggies inside and a little bit of noodle. You wrap and roll that sucker, tuck them in, kind of squish them down, and you end up with a spring roll that has all the shrimp lined up on the top like that. Nice and pretty. So, again, you can use crab, shrimp, shredded chicken, leftover pulled pork, cold, very thinly sliced beef. The sauce, the dipper sauce, is really where it is at.